What's up guys, welcome to the first video of Code Luck, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the reasons to learn JavaScript. So why JavaScript? What makes it different from other languages? What are the possibilities of JavaScript? Well, let's get into the topic. JavaScript was designed and released in 1995. It's been around for over 2 decades. Day by day it has gained its strength and has made plenty of reasons to learn JavaScript programming. One of the main things about JavaScript is it's free. If you want to start your journey with JavaScript, you can begin right now. You don't have to go with some unnecessary installation. You just need a code editor and a browser. That's it. JavaScript is a powerful script language with pretty simple and straightforward syntax. JavaScript is everywhere. JavaScript is a language which is dominating the web development. Almost 95% web pages use JavaScript. All the popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox support JavaScript. Now we can ask, is it only surrounded by websites? Absolutely not. There are far more things you can do with JavaScript. You can make cross-platform desktop apps, you can make cross-platform mobile apps using JavaScript technologies. You can also implement the backend or server-side stuffs using Node.js, which is an open source JavaScript environment. You can create amazing, robust web application using JavaScript. Now what about games? Well, you can also create browser-based games using JavaScript. Nowadays it has become possible with the addition of HTML5 canvas, which hold a strong reason to give browser-based gaming experience to the user. Now what if I told you that you can program IoT devices using JavaScript? Yeah, you heard it right. Nowadays, many IoT devices come with the simple ways which allows the installation of Node.js. Means developers now implement the required functionalities using JavaScript. So it's great to see the wide range of possibilities of JavaScript. But the question is, does these skills pay well? Since more and more services are going digital, so there is a developing demand of people skilled in JavaScript. It continues to create countless job opportunities in the tech industry. So it will be highly beneficial to add JavaScript skills on your resume. And at the end, if this video seems helpful to you, don't be rude to me. Subscribe my channel and code with Code Luck. Thank you.